Hey folks, Phoenix here from Greenzone. Here I'm going to explain our last trade analysis, which we enter for the gold, which is XUSD in technically. And in this video, we're going to understand what's the reason for this trade, how we plan this trade, how we set this all the ranges, the key ranges. Okay, it's a area of interest. It's a demand zone. How we plan this demand zone, where we get this demand zone, each and everything in this video. So stick till the end. Okay, you can understand something really matters in this video. So before wasting any times, I'm just reviewing each and everything, then we can continue from the beginning. Okay, right now I'm coming from the daily time frame. Just understand this in your mind. Okay, when you are doing some analysis for any charts, okay, it's going to be like stocks, either you're doing in cryptos, forex, anything, commodities, anything. You must need to come from the higher time frames, higher time frame, medium time frame, lower time frame. I'm coming from the higher time frame, which is like a daily time frame, because we're planning for the intraday. We are not planning for the swing. If we're planning for the swing trades, definitely I would come from the weekly time frame or the monthly time frame. Right now I'm coming from the daily time frame. Just try to understand. In higher time frame, we only look for the structure, sorry, the trend. Okay, what's the trend is going on, what's the direction in higher time frames. See, it's a daily time frame. In daily time frame, we can easily see the gold is crashing from here, right? So after January 2026, Jan 29, Thursday 2026, we can see a crash that's happened from here in gold. Still, it's in a correction mode. Okay, it's not even our trendy mode in gold. It's not crashing. It's not making a bull momentum from here. It's fully sideways at this place after this crash. Okay, anyway, I'm not deep dive about this all the stuffs. Okay, it's all comes with economics and like a fundamentals. Okay, right now I'm just doing the technical analysis. If you're taking a mentorship, definitely you can learn the technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and some like a news analysis, how you can trade in news days. Okay, see, in this week we just enter only 3 trades, which is like a Bitcoin. In Bitcoin, which is BTC-USD, we got 1:5 risk to reward ratio targets. And the next one is CHFJPY. We already smashed 1:2 risk to reward ratio. And the third one is gold, and we already catch 1:2.5 risk to reward ratio, and we're still trying the stop loss to get the big targets. Okay, let's see what's going to be happen. Anyway, let's come to the point. Right now I'm switching the forward time frame. In daily time frame, we got the information that market is crashing, right? It's going downside. Right now I'm switching the forward time frame. See, easily find the structure after breaking this MSS. Okay, after breaking this MSS, it's created the high highs, high lows, and the high high, and after that it's broke the last lower high from here, and right now it's making a downside momentum from here. It's like a bearish structure, which is like a downside momentum in forward time frame. So the daily time frame it's in bearish, forward time frame it's in bearish. Right now we're switching even a smaller time frame, which is like 1 hour time frame. Okay, so something really matters that's happened from here in 1 hour time frame. See this, we're planning, look, okay, there's a demand zone. You can easily find this as a demand zone, because we can see our impulse movements that's created from here in 1 hour time frame, right? So below this impulse movements, we can see our demand zone, or whatever you can call it, whatever you can put any names for your like analysis, but try to understand what's the reason for this trades. Okay, I'm not explaining each and every analysis here. I'm not teaching how we can place the, how we can like spot these all the marks, these all the spots. Okay, that you can learn from our mentorship. You can learn from absolute basic to advanced level, that we can just discuss in the later in this video. See, this is a demand zone. It comes to the demand zone, then we're planning, look, okay, if it's making a reversal from this demand zone, we can go for the long side entries, but it's not for like an intraday or the swing trades. It's going to be like a scalping trade. Okay, because the higher time frame it's in bearish. When the higher time frame it's in bearish and we're going for the long entries for the swing trades or the day trades, then you're the biggest dumb person, right? You must need to go with the flow. What is a flow? The trend is a flow. The higher time frame direction, that's a flow in the markets. Okay, anyway, see, it's a demand zone. It's already broke the demand zone, and it's making a consolidation at this place. Okay, it's not the consolidation. It comes to the previous area of interest, which is created from here. I'll show you, okay, how you can pick these other things. Right now I'm switching even a smaller time frame, which is like a 50 minutes time frame. So some masala things that's happening here. Okay, see, when it comes to the 50 minutes time frame, we can see it's in fully sideways, right? See, these are the fully sideways if you're seeing in naked eyes, but we have some like a pro eyes. Okay, then we can do some analysis. See this, it's done some like sideways movements. It comes to the previous demand zone, which is like a 1 hour time frame demand zone. If it's making a momentum to from here to the long side, definitely you would go for the long side entries for the scalping trade. I told you, right? But it's broke this demand zone, so that's why you're planning, like, okay, we must need to go for the short side entries, because each and every time frames it's showing the bearish. Also, it's broke the 1 hour time frame demand zone also, so we can go for the bearish side entries. But we need some more good entries. See this, after making a full sideways momentum, it's took this liquidity. See, it's took the liquidity shift from here. At the same time, when it's taking this liquidity, it's going with the higher highs and higher lows. See the flow. Okay, it's going with the higher highs and higher lows. See guys, please watch this video full carefully. It's going to be like if you're a beginner today, it will be confusing. Don't worry, you can learn from absolute basic to advanced level if you're taking the mentorship. I'm not forcing anyone. Okay, only for the serious traders. It's going with the high highs and high lows continuously, and it's took the liquidity from here, and after that we're marking this MSS. See, We're marking this MSS, which is a market structure shift. So what is a market structure? It's going with the high highs and high lows, right? That's a bullish trend. When it's reversing from here, when it's breaking this high highs and high lows, then it shift to low lows and low high, which is a bearish trend. When it's going the bearish trend, then we got some more confirmations. Okay, the previous confirmation, what's that? Daily time frame, it's in bearish, 4-hour time frame bearish, 1-hour time frame demand zone broken, and the smaller time frame, which is like a 50 minutes time frame, it took the liquidity sweep. And after that, if it's breaking the MSS, then we can go for the bearish entries, because it's also turned to bearish in smaller time frame. See this, what's the beauty in this structure? All right, and we planning the bearish entries from here, which is like a short entries from here to the short side, a small stop loss above this range. Okay, and our targets, the targets, we can't put the targets in randomly. I'll show you how we put the targets, how we take that levels. Okay, but before that, you must need to understand, some of the price action traders, you may think that it's a head and shoulder pattern. Right, it's a head and shoulder pattern, but it's not the single thing that's create the big fall from here, right? There is something more. That's what I'm showing here. Okay, if you're just blindly trading in these all the chart patterns, these all the things, and if you're just thinking, okay, you're a supreme trader by doing this all the chart patterns, then you're a dumb person. Okay, I'm not saying that some of the people, it's really working, they're really making the big money by doing chart patterns things, but I don't think so. If you are doing in higher time frames chart patterns things, definitely it's gonna work for you. But if you're doing just continuously working in scalping trading by just drawing some like chart patterns, it won't work for you. Okay, in scalping in smaller time frames. Anyway, yeah, I'm not taking any classes here. See, it's in 1 hour time frame. How we got the targets? That's the real beauty here. Say this, we got the target from here. Why we taking from here? Because we can't see any previous data at this range, right? After breaking this range, we can't see any previous data. We can see the previous data from here. Okay, don't get confused. Yeah, see, in 1 hour time frame, you got to see this one. It comes with the down structure from here. It's a previous data, guys. Okay, it's happening March 2026. Okay, it comes with the low lows and low highs continuously. See this, it comes with the low lows and low highs, and after that it's broke the level from here, which is a MSS, market structure shift, and after that it's created the new high, which is MSS, and it comes to the pullback, and after that it's given like momentum from here. Why it took the pullback from here? Because we can see a demand zone which is pending to mitigate. Okay, in this pullback, in this demand zone, it's pushed the price from here. Then we can see a quick momentum that's created from here. Then it's given a rally from this place. Okay, the first push that's happened from here. So we can see there's a still a valuable demand zone, right? I hope you get it. Right now I'm extending this one. Okay, I'm extending, and I'm completely extending, and we got the targets for this demand zone. See this, we don't randomly marking these other places. Okay, don't think like some like a shitty peoples, because I'm saying that I know that when I started trading, I joined the most like hundreds of Telegram channels, and they are sharing some trades. Okay, gold you can sell from here, buy from here. Immediately after 5 to 10 minutes, they're gonna update that. Okay, we hit the targets, we hit the like a stop loss or something. But see this, we enter for the trades from here. In yesterday, we're still holding this trade. But one of the most interesting thing is we already waited for this trade setups from last 20 hours to get the entries. Okay, we wait almost 20 hours to get the entries. After the entry, we still holding this trade from last 12 hours. Okay, still we holding to get the targets. Our last trade, which is like a Bitcoin, we held almost 24 hours to get the targets, and the next trade, which is like a CHF JPY, we held almost 19 hours to get the second TP. Okay, second targets. See the beauty, guys. Okay, we are not immediately entering exit which is like expressways. Okay, we wait for some like a good setups, and after getting some more confirmation, like more accuracy, more trade setups, then we enter for the trades, like a perfect trade setups. Okay, the perfect one, finding the perfect one, that's our most priority. We already have the 2 WhatsApp community, which is like a prime. Okay, one is prime, that's where we share like a high probability setups. The next one is scalping trades. If you're a scalper trader, definitely you can if you're taking the mentorship, definitely you will get added to this both community. One is scalping, one is a prime. Okay, if you want to join the prime, if you want to take the mentorship, then just go to this website, greenzoneonline.in. Okay, or just message to the support team. Okay, there's 10 members in our support team. You can message to anyone, and they'll guide you to take the subscription, or you can just call it before take the subscription. They'll clear each and everything. Okay, there's 5 plans. It's going to be starting from the starter and ends in an elite plan. Okay, and each plan has a different features and different validation. See, starter plan has just 30 days, 3 months, 6 months. The gold is 6 months, platinum for the 12 months, elite for the lifetime. You will get each and every updates from here. If we just come up with the new updates in future, definitely you will get the access in this elite group. Okay, and one more thing, if you're taking this elite groups, you will get the 3 proven swing training strategies, which is we personally using, and you will get the lifetime access to TG's ecosystem, which is like if you come with any broker, any prop firm, if you're starting any prop firm, you will get the access here for free in this elite. The price is just $899. For the elite, you can start with the $59, which is starter for the 30 days. For the payments, for example, if you're taking any gold, just click the subscribe now and you will get the 4 payment methods, 4 payment modes: UPI, cryptos, USDT, and PayPal. Choose anyone and you will redirect to the support team, and there you can do the procedures and they will complete the procedures, and after that they will take you to the prime. Hope you guys get it. That's it. Have a great day.